Welcome to the dazzling world of a diamond factory, where cutting-edge science and masterful craftsmanship collide to transform humble carbon into 99% pure diamonds that rival the Earth's most ancient treasures. This isn't the dusty, labor-intensive mining of old. It's a high-tech symphony of innovation, precision, and artistry that replicates a billion-year natural process in mere weeks. Lab-grown diamonds, crafted through advanced techniques like chemical vapor deposition (CVD) and high-pressure, high-temperature (HPHT), are not only chemically and physically identical to mined diamonds, but also carry the promise of ethical production and environmental sustainability. Join us on this sparkling journey to uncover the secrets of how these breathtaking gems are born. From a microscopic seed to a radiant masterpiece that captures both light and imagination. The process begins with a diamond seed, a tiny sliver of natural or synthetic diamond, often smaller than a grain of sand, serving as the foundation for growth. In the CVD method, this seed is placed in a vacuum chamber filled with a carbon-rich gas, such as methane, blended with hydrogen. A microwave beam or plasma torch heats the gas to over 1,000 degrees Celsius, ionizing it into a glowing plasma. This energy breaks the gas molecules apart, freeing carbon atoms that gently settle onto the seed, bonding in a perfect tetrahedral lattice, the hallmark of a diamond's strength and brilliance. Over 2 to 4 weeks, layer by layer, the crystal grows, sometimes reaching several carats. The process is tightly controlled to achieve 99% carbon purity, with trace elements like nitrogen, which can yellow a diamond, or boron, which can tint it blue, minimized through precise gas mixtures and chamber conditions. Advanced sensors monitor temperature, pressure, and gas flow in real time, ensuring the crystal forms without defects that could cloud its clarity. The HPHT method, by contrast, is a crucible of raw power, mimicking the Earth's mantle where natural diamonds are born. A diamond seed is placed in a high-pressure press with a carbon source, typically graphite, and a metal catalyst like iron, nickel, or cobalt. The press generates pressures exceeding 5 gigapascals, over 50,000 times atmospheric pressure, and temperatures above 1,400 degrees Celsius. In this extreme environment, the graphite dissolves into the molten metal, and carbon atoms crystallize around the seed, forming a diamond in days to weeks. HPHT is particularly versatile, allowing manufacturers to produce larger stones or tailor colors by introducing specific impurities, such as boron for blue diamonds or nitrogen for yellow ones. The resulting crystals are analyzed using Raman spectroscopy and X-ray diffraction to confirm their 99% purity and near-perfect lattice structure, ensuring they meet the stringent standards of gem-grade diamonds. Once grown, the rough diamond undergoes meticulous quality control. Technicians employ advanced tools like laser scanning, ultraviolet fluorescence, and Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy (FTIR) to detect microscopic inclusions, stress fractures, or lattice irregularities that could affect the gem's optical performance. Only the finest crystals proceed to the cutting and polishing stage, where the artistry of diamond making truly shines. Skilled gem cutters, often using computer-aided design (CAD) software, map out precise facets to optimize the stone's fire, color dispersion, brilliance, light reflection, and scintillation sparkle. Using diamond-tip tools, since only a diamond can cut another diamond, they shape the rough crystal into iconic cuts like round brilliant princess or pear. Each facet is polished to a mirror-like finish, a process that can take hours or days, requiring an artisan's keen eye to balance beauty with minimal material loss. A poorly cut diamond can lose its sparkle, so precision here is paramount, guided by mathematical models of light refraction. The science behind lab-grown diamonds is matched by their ethical and environmental advantages. Traditional diamond mining consumes vast resources. Approximately 100 tons of earth are excavated for a single carat and can devastate ecosystems, pollute water sources, and emit significant carbon. It's also been linked to ethical issues, including conflict diamonds that fund violence. In contrast, diamond factories operate in controlled, sterile environments, using energy-efficient systems increasingly powered by renewables like solar or wind. The CVD process, for instance, consumes about 600 to 800 kilowatt hours per carat. comparable to household energy use, and produces no mining-related waste. HPHT, while more energy-intensive, is still far less destructive than mining. These diamonds are also 20 to 40% more affordable, making 99% pure gems accessible to a broader audience. Gemological institutes like the GIA or IGI grade them identically to mined diamonds, evaluating cut, color, clarity, and carat, ensuring they're indistinguishable EV. Indistinguishable even under a jeweler's loupe. Inside the factory, innovation drives every step. Automated sorting systems use machine learning to classify rough diamonds by size, clarity, and growth quality, streamlining production. Clean rooms prevent contaminants from affecting crystal growth, while AI-powered quality control predicts potential flaws before they arise. Yet, the human element remains vital. Craftsmen bring decades of expertise to the cutting table, their hands coaxing out a gem's inner fire. Scientists tweak growth parameters with surgical precision, balancing chemistry and physics to perfect each stone. The result is a diamond that's not just a jewel, but a triumph of human ingenuity. A 99% pure masterpiece that shines with both beauty and integrity. These gems tell a story of progress, blending the timeless allure of diamonds with a modern commitment to sustainability and ethics. As you marvel at the brilliance of a lab-grown diamond catching its kaleidoscope of light, you're witnessing the future of gem making. This is where science meets soul, where a speck of carbon becomes a symbol of love, innovation, and responsibility. Want to dive deeper into the world of diamonds and other wonders of technology? Hit that like button to show your support, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating journeys into the heart of innovation.